In this video, we are going to see some of the questions asked in CBSE exam. The first question, when a coordination compound of the formula CrCl36H2O is mixed with AgNO3, 2 moles of silver chloride are precipitated. Is mixed with the silver nitrate, 2 moles of AgCl precipitated per mole of the compound. What is the structural formula of the coordination compound? Coordination compound given is CrCl3 6H2O, trichlorochromium hexahydrate. Here the actual structure is CrH2O6 and Cl3. Within the ionizing sphere, chromium and water molecule is present. Outside the ionizing sphere, chlorine is present. So if it dissolves in water, it ionizes as CrH2O6 3 plus and 3 Cl minus. It is an example of hydrate isomerism. It can be written in other forms. It exhibits hydrate isomerism. So the difference in the water molecule within or outside the ionizing sphere called hydrate isomerism. So here in the first isomerism, here one of the water molecule moves outside the ionizing sphere. Instead chlorine gets substituted. CrH2O 5 times Cl2H2O. So 2 chlorine and H2O is ionizable. So in water medium. And next one is CrH2O4 Cl2. Instead of one water molecule, one chlorine is present here in that water molecule outside the ionizing sphere. The next one is 3 water molecule and 2 chlorine, and here the 3 H2O is present. Sorry, here 3 chlorine and 3 H2O. Instead 3 water molecule is present here. Now the question is, by adding silver nitrate to the CrCl36H2O, we are getting 2 moles of silver chloride. If it is means, while adding silver nitrate, we are getting 2 moles of silver chloride means it reacts with 2 parts by weight of chlorine. So in this compound only the 2 parts by weight of chlorine is available for the reaction for the ionization. So the compound name is, this one is the structural formula of this compound. By addition of silver nitrate, here the 2 silver nitrate reacts with the 2 chlorine, it forms 2 moles of silver chloride. So the structural formula of the compound present in the solution at the time is CrH2O5 Cl2H2O. Thereby silver nitrate when reacts with the chlorine, it forms 2 moles of silver chloride. So the answer is, when silver nitrate added with CrCl36H2O, the structural isomerism present will be CrH2O 5 times Cl within the ionizing sphere and Cl2H2O outside the ionizing sphere. Next question is, what is the difference between a complex compound and a double salt? The difference between coordination compound and double salt. Double salt and coordination compound comes under addition compound. It is a mixture of 2 or more salts called the addition compounds. So double salt and the complex compound both comes under the example of addition compounds. Double salt and coordination compound, complex compound, even though formed by mixing 2 salts, they differed in certain properties that we are going to see. For example, double salt, example is ferrous ammonium sulfate. Complex compound, example is potassium ferrocyanide. Here ferrous ammonium sulfate is formed by ferrous sulfate and ammonium sulfate mixed up in equimolar proportion, it giving ferrous ammonium sulfate. But it is not in the case of potassium ferrocyanide or complex compound. The ratio in which it may mixed may be or may not be same or equal, the way in which the salts are mixed. Next one is There is no coordinate bond in double salt, but here it is a coordinate bond present between the central metal atom and the ligands donating electron. So, coordinate bond is present here in the case of complex compound. Here the normal valency in the case of double salt, here primary valency and secondary valency. Primary valency corresponds to the oxidation state, secondary valency corresponds to the coordination number of a complex compound. The main difference between double salt and a complex compound is their nature, the solvation property. In water, the double salt lose their identity. They are converting into its simple ions in solution. For example, when we dissolve the ferrous ammonium sulfate in water, they dissociated into the Fe2 plus ion, ammonium ion and sulfate ion. The solution will answer for these ions in solution. But when we dissolve the complex compound in water, for example potassium ferrocyanide in water, it dissociates as 4K plus and a complex as FeCN6 4 minus, not as a ion, it dissociates us, and it will not respond for ions present in the solution. So, this is the main difference between double salt and a complex compound. Double salt will respond for O ion present in the solution, and coordination compound will not respond for O ion present in the solution.